In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use override graphics in View to control element and category appearance. If you've ever needed to make a single object stand out or bring consistency to a whole set of items without changing your model, this is the cleanest way to do it. We'll keep it simple, precise, and view specific so you get the look you want without affecting geometry or other views. Start by selecting the element you want to change. Click directly on it in the view where you want the change to appear. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right item selected. If your cursor is snapping to nearby pieces, zoom in a little to avoid selecting the wrong thing. Remember, what you choose here determines what gets overridden. With the element selected, right-click and choose Override Graphics in View. This command opens the door to quick visual control. You'll now decide how broadly you want the change to apply. Choose whether you want to override by element or by category. By element affects only the specific item you selected, perfect for highlighting a single door, a particular beam, or one piece of furniture. By category affects all items of that type in this view, like all walls, all windows, or all columns. Think of by element as a spotlight and by category as a stage-wide lighting change. If you need clarity across a drawing set, category overrides are great. If you're calling attention to one item in a review, element overrides are your friend. Next, adjust the settings. Color lets you highlight or soften objects. Choose hues that communicate intent clearly and remain legible in print. Line weight controls visual priority. Heavier lines push objects forward, lighter lines recede them. Line style can convey meaning, solid for new work, dashed for existing, or hidden if that's part of your documentation style. Fill pattern helps distinguish materials or zones. Use solid fills for bold emphasis or patterns that stay readable at your scale. As you tweak these, think about hierarchy and consistency so your drawing reads at a glance. When you're satisfied, click OK. The override applies in that view only. That means if you switch to another plan, section, or 3D view, you'll see the default graphics there unless you repeat this process. This view-specific behavior is incredibly useful for presentation sheets, coordination, and red lines because it gives you full control without global side effects. Use these overrides thoughtfully. Rely on category changes for broad consistency, then fine-tune with element changes for exceptions. With just these steps, you can make any view clearer, more communicative, and easier to read.